In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a weather widget in Notion. By the end, you'll have a live weather panel sitting right inside your page, so you can glance at the forecast without leaving your workspace. We'll keep this simple and practical, and I'll call out a few helpful tips along the way so everything displays cleanly. First, you need a shareable link to the weather widget you want to use. On the widgets page, look for a button labeled Copy Link or Copy to Clipboard. That button gives you the exact URL that Notion can embed. If you are wondering what makes a link work here, it generally needs to be a publicly accessible link to a widget or page, designed to be embedded elsewhere. When you click Copy Link or Copy to Clipboard, the URL is copied to your system clipboard and you won't see anything change yet. That's normal. Keep that link handy. We're about to paste it into Notion. Now move over to your Notion page and click exactly where you want the widget to appear. Choosing the right spot now saves you from rearranging content later. If your page is empty, click near the top. If it's a busy page, place your cursor in the section where a live forecast makes the most sense, like near a daily planning area. With your cursor in place, type /embed and press enter. This brings up Notion's embed block, which is designed specifically to display external content. You'll see a box asking for a link. Paste the link you copied a moment ago into that box. Then click Embed Link. Notion will load the content and show a preview. Give it a second to render. If you see the weather appear, you are set. If it looks blank or shows an error, it usually means the link isn't embeddable or isn't publicly accessible. In that case, try obtaining the correct shareable widget link and repeat the same paste and embed step. Once the widget appears, you can adjust how it looks on the page. Hover over the widget and use the black bars on the sides or corners to resize it. Dragging a sidebar changes the width and dragging a corner adjusts both width and height at the same time. Take a moment to find a size that keeps important details visible without forcing excessive scrolling. A balanced layout helps the widget blend in with your notes while staying easy to read at a glance. That's all you need to add and size a weather widget in Notion. Keep your link handy if you plan to embed similar widgets elsewhere. Thanks for watching.